21 days? Bull. How long does it really take to form a new habit? Let's find out. So in 2009, the European Journal of Social Psychology, they published a study that basically showed that it actually takes 18 to 254 days to form a new habit. On average, that was 66 days. Now, don't get discouraged by that. How can we use this knowledge? So by the way, if you're new here, my name is Ratje. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss out on any future videos. So let me share with you 3 tips on how you can build great habits anyway, with this knowledge, using this new knowledge. Number 1, just realize that it's not going to take 21 days. When I first learned about this, when I first discovered this, I was a little bit shocked. I was like, oh my God, it's going to take much longer than 21 days. Yeah, but that makes sense, doesn't it actually? Most habits are not acquired within 21 days, especially when we talk about some bad habits that you might want to get rid of. These often can take even longer. So just be aware and just accept it. It's going to take longer than 21 days. That doesn't mean though it has to be a tiresome process. It could actually be fun. Number 2, you have to consider your personality as well. Are you a consistent person or are you not a consistent person? In general, consistent people, what do you think they do? They are better at creating new habits because they are consistent. They more easily can do things day by day by day by day, again and again and again and again. If you're inconsistent, and I am one of them. In fact, one of the main reasons I hired my recent business coach, I had to become more consistent. It's not an issue. You just have to realize it might take you a little bit longer to create that habit in comparison to more consistent people. But you got to think about, why did you want to create that habit in the first place? It's not a short-term thing, right? You want to create that habit for the long run, for the rest of your life. So investing this 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, even 4 months to create that new habit, is it worth it? It should be. That's why you put in the effort. That's why you want to make it happen. Number 3, and this is a really, really big one. If you stopped, simply restart again. Don't beat yourself up. Too many people that I see who want to create a habit, they're beating themselves up over not consistently continuing it. No, it doesn't change anything. You miss a day, start the next day again. Okay, and so on. If you miss another day 1 week later, it doesn't matter. Again, don't focus on these 21 days. Focus on several months. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. If you miss a couple of days here and there, it's not a big deal in the long run, but you consistently have to do it. If you fall off that horse, what do? You get back up right away. So from my experience, I've been there in the past myself. I would beat myself up. In the past, and I'm sure you've been there as well. I would set a New Year's resolution. Day 1, check, I did it, woohoo! Day 2, check. Day 3, check. Day 4, check. Day 5, I missed it. My life is over, everything is ended. Can you relate? Have you been there? I'm sure you have. Most humans, most of us, we have been there. It's not just me, I know. If you're watching this, there's a high chance you've been there as well. So don't beat yourself up. Keep going. Keep moving forward. Keep continuing until that habit is permanent. So comment below one time, which new habits do you want to create? Which new habit do you want to build? Share that with us. Again, if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. You do not want to miss out on all the future great videos. We share a lot in the areas of presentation, public speaking, productivity, and habits as well. If you like this video, you can click like it. And most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.